Hello friends, I have a unboxing to share with you today. I cheat a little bit. I have to look at it before I actually do a video. I'm kind of glad I did because I almost cried on this one. I've really been looking forward to this one because the picture is absolutely gorgeous and it's a huge disappointment. I was careful reading everything and I thought, ooh, it's 40 by 30. It'll be a good size. You'll get good detail. Wah, wah, wah. It's only the butterflies. Look how beautiful that canvas is. Let's see if I can get it up here without the light destroying too much of it and you seeing too much of my mess in the background. Anyway, this is probably... This is worse than the snowman. There you go. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? So, on that note, if anyone has seen this particular canvas in a full drill, please give me a link in the comments because I would really love to do it in a full drill. And the other thing, look at the packaging on the drills. It's all smeared, and of course it's only smeared where the DMC codes are. How crazy is that? Isn't that weird? But 6 colors, and I know better than to order. Look at that. Those colors aren't even in the painting. How did those get in there? I understand when this happens because it's right next to it, but that is freaky. See that? Weird. Anyway, but I think I just got too excited when I saw this one because it is so pretty. There were no specifications as to how many colors. It just gave the canvas size. It didn't show the actual canvas. It just showed the pictures on the walls. You know how beautiful they make that look. So, lesson learned. This was a purchase from Wish. As you can see, it's only 6 colors. But I guess it'll still be pretty on the wall. I don't know. It's just a bummer. So, like I said, if y'all could help me out, if you have seen this in a full drill, please share the link with me so I can do that. I almost forgot. It did come with the standard kit, a few little bags, the wax and the pen. I really want one of those pens that have the extra, the little tip on the end where you can do more than one at a time. I'd love to try that. So I just need to save up some money and buy one of the really big canvases. So anyway, there you go, guys. There's my latest. I have 4 more on the way. So I will see you the next time I get one in the mail. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.